Hello, hello, good afternoon. This is Anisha, your magical guide to all things magical and possible for you in this beautiful universe. So, the tool for the day is autopilot and being on autopilot, and how do we get out of autopilot. And it is related to the conversation and the tool of the day which I shared yesterday, which was the conversation on structures. So, do you realize and do you get a feeling of how you are on autopilot when everything is already in gear, in movement? You are not changing the gear of your life. You're not putting your foot on the accelerator, nor are you putting your foot on the brake. Or your foot is always on the brake and never on the accelerator. Yes, just get a feeling of that, get an energy of that, and where do you apply your brakes in your life? Is it on your money? Is it on your job? Is it on your relationship? Is it on your body? And what is that energy that is not allowing you to take that one step forward? So, when your life is on autopilot, you are not able to choose anything different from what you have been choosing before. Okay. And so, all of the autopilotness in your body, in your system, in your universe, would you please destroy and uncreate it? Yes. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, poads, and beyonds. And look at the energy of this autopilot and see where your life is stuck with this autopilot. And if you chose to change the gear over there and move to maybe the third gear, would that create change? Would that help you? Yeah. Now, when you are not choosing something that will create so much more magic for you is where you will be stuck. And because your life is moving on autopilot, it just seems easy not to do anything. It just seems too much of hard work to do something over there. So, today I want you to get aware of where your life is on autopilot and what are the small changes and actions you can do to change that. And is that a structure that you are in? A structure, again, I'm going to reiterate, it's something that cannot be changed. It's either right or wrong, it's moral or immoral, it's ethical or it's unethical. And it is very defined, it's very concluded by society and by your own judgment of that. So, are you working in a structure, or are you working from a space of just merely choosing because it's fun for you, because it's light for you, and because you can choose? You're in this amazing body and you can choose anything and everything that you would like to choose. So, where are you stuck? Is this on autopilot? And what can I be and do different that can put me into the next gear of my life? So, this is a great question to ask today. This is a great awareness to have today. And once you have the awareness, share with me. I'll be happy to send you some more clearings related to where you are, what you're experiencing. And let's go ahead and move things. Let's move on to like the fourth year. Let's move on to a space where we can start choosing and start choosing not from the past, not from the future, but from this moment. Just choosing what is light for you, choosing what is magical for you, choosing what can create the most amazing abundance for you, and just being happy and positive while making that choice. So move from autopilot and like start creating that shift and that change from wherever you feel your life needs that. So have a blessed day and all my love. Bye.